Hi, I'm a member of Objectif Santé. I hope you are doing very well. So today we are keeping on our study about the pain in our joint. We are what's verdict a recurrence of premature and accelerated against of our bones. We break our foot at the slightest mistake in the game or in the shower. Some move with difficulty because they have pain in all the joint. So, where does the progressions of pernicious installation of these pains come from? Welcome to Objectif Santé, your well-being channel, which will show you the mind thing to do or to avoid the problem to avoid in order to be okay all the time in your life. So today we are going to know what the progressions of destruction of our joint come from exactly. The first of all is our food, what we are eating. We think that we have evolved and we gave ourselves the right to disavoid the rules of nature. We no longer respect breastfeeding time. What you see there in milk, but is animal milk. We human beings have been going and usually we stop drinking mom's milk at 2 years ago. At the 2 years old, your mother felt that we no longer needed milk to move forward. Our mother aren't against us, but they know that it's finished. You no longer need any milk to live. This is valid for all other animals. Stop consuming mom's milk and switch to parents' foods. The cow will feed the cold until weaning. From now on, the buff will be contained with herbs, grass, plant if you want. Human beings are the only animals that drinks milk after weaning. Why? And instead of taking the milk produced by a human and for human, it is going to take milk from a cow. You, human beings, are not the children of a cow, and the constitution of the milk depend on the body size and constitution of the animals. You humans are designed to pick the fruit. You walk on two legs. The animals move on all four, and the constitution of their milk is a function of their corpulence and their methods of movement. Please, if you want to drink cow's milk, it must be done sparingly, once a week. It's tolerable and it's enough. All those who eat cow's milk every day will not escape osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, joint pain. Cow's milk is different from human being milk. You may be able to recognize that. If you consume the milk of an animal, we have a high content of their mineral salt. The excess will flood the bone. The bone will not be able to consume them. It overdose. The bone will start to twist. It's the disease of the bone. Second problem, consumption. Humans are the primary consumer of rice. We don't have dessert, but we assume the bird. The bird. We wake every morning, every evening for those who say they can't no longer live without eating, without drinking milk, without eating rice, that they'll go and buy the milk of our nursing mother. It will be better for you. Go buy the milk of your mother or nursing mother and you drink them. That's the milk is for you, we human beings. It's a milk that is good for us. Milk from animals will give them health problem if they don't live. Why does animal milk kill us? The constitution of our bones is different. We have calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. They are what give the texture of strength of the bones, and the proportion of its mineral self in the milk is different. So, how do we consume more rice and the food we are prescribed it? We are going to declare a circulation disease sometime in your life. First problem, it is negative thinking. We may be positive. You may have a brainwash. Everyone who does not control their stress have joint pain, surely. The human being body is very complex. The wish it related to the brains is affected by bad thought. The liver no longer produced the substance that go into the production of synovial fluid. When the liver is diseased, everything is disturbed in your body. Every disease will come in your life. So, jealousies, arthritis, are part of the trigger cause of arteriosclerosis of the joint. You may be not against human being. It's your brother, is your friend. You may accept him. You may accept his success. You have to develop good thinking. The first problem is with tobacco. We smoke cigarette, provide us with a significant amount of carbon dioxide. And this pension will mess up the constitution of the synovial fluid. and our joints are out of whack. There is no more mitosis. The cells are not renewing. It is self-destruction. And it depends on you. You are responsible of your disease. The last problem, the fifth problem, it is the sedentary lifestyle. Refusal to move in the beginning of a joint is the beginning of a joint destruction. You have to move. We will consult with our psychiatrist. Watch what I do in the video and repeat at your place. It's very easy to do. It's very simple. Practice is, perform is in order to move your joint. And that will help you to have a better health. Thank you very much. See you first video.